chunky. Installing Windows 10. Windows 10 on this Windows XP machine. Because I want to. Let's go. USB in. And power on. Power on, I said. It's cheap laptop. See, tab, delete, I don't know. F1 for setup. Okay, boot. Priority. And this is the USB, goes to the first place. Oh, has a plus button. Okay. This is how I want. Is it save? Okay. I think it's doing something, I don't know. It's beeping, it's blinking faster. Oh yes, yes. Yes, it's in the setup. Okay, my language. No, I don't. Windows 10 Home because I'm too poor for the Pro. Next. Advanced. Okay, I'm just gonna delete macOS partition. There is Windows 8 and this is macOS. This will be Windows 10 partition. Okay, 0. Okay, now it's actually loading finally. Okay, it's finally restarting after this time. Okay, not USB, just boot into the Windows 10, not 8.1. Because I also have it. This is what I'm dual booting. Skip. Skip. Skip, 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 skip. Just skip. Yes, it skipped. Windows 10, yes. What? Okay, now it's normal. And yeah, it's loading again. Yeah, this is probably gonna take some time, so time lapse again. Yes, I'm finally there, so Slovenia. Unfortunately, my mic won't work because, well, or I think it works, I don't know. Why is it white? Oh. Yes, it went wrong, I see. Just skip. It's laggy AF. I've started at 12:30, I think. Now it's almost 2. Yes. OOBE failed, probably. Well. Okay, Steam is updating. Like it always does. Okay, good boy. So, I had to upgrade from Windows 8 because OOBE was always crashing. Like, start. Is the internet connected? I think so. It's so slow actually. I think Windows 8 was good enough for this. Okay, now it loaded actually. It's actually doing something. So here are the apps from Windows 8, like the news and yep, I've deleted the other apps. God. Let's just check the task manager. This thing was meant for Windows XP, by the way. Not for Windows 10. I can show you. Windows XP. Oh, task manager is opening. Even worse than my grandma's 2015 Intel Atom PC. I mean laptop. Feels and looks more like a netbook, but from 2015. Oh, yeah. As you can see, AMD Sempron processor 3000 plus. This is really bad. 100%, 1.81 gigahertz, and 1 core, 1 thread, 128 kilobytes, 1 GB of DDR1 this is DDR1. Bro, this is too slow for Windows 10. And this, it's just too slow for 10. Let's try Half-Life. What even won't run on this? I mean, it runs on Windows 8.1, but here it's not gonna run. Feels horrible. And this loading circle, just turn it off. Bye. I can't stand.